Welcome back to the channel. I hope your weekend is off to a strong start. Today, we're going to slow things down, take a deep dive, and really break down what's happening with Monad as we head into Saturday. The market right now is sending some mixed signals, and it's one of those moments where emotions can take over if you're not careful. Whether you're a long-term holder or just tracking altcoin movements, this update will help you understand the big picture, including prices, on-chain activity, and how Bitcoin's moves are affecting Monad. We'll also touch on key numbers, including a recent 8606 BTC equivalent in trading volume, which is a strong indicator of ongoing activity even during a downturn. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decision. Looking at the broader market, a few coins are still holding on to bullish momentum, but the majority are retracing. Altcoins are seeing declines of roughly 4% to 6% depending on the project. Monad itself has felt a bit heavier pressure, down 8.7% over the last 24 hours and about 6.7% against Bitcoin. Its smaller market cap amplifies these swings, so volatility is expected. Currently, Monad is priced at $0.024, with a market capitalization of $260 million and a 24-hour trading volume around $140 million. Now, while the price is down, it's very important to separate short-term price action from long-term fundamentals. The on-chain activity is showing incredible strength. The total value locked, TVL, on the Monad network recently hit a new all-time high. That means more people are using and staking their tokens, which is a strong sign of ecosystem growth. To put this into perspective, the TVL is now about 70% of the coin's total valuation, which is very encouraging. Even though the token is down in price, the network itself is healthier than ever. Bitcoin is, of course, a major driver of altcoin performance. Yesterday, Bitcoin had an impressive run, climbing close to its 0.50 Fibonacci retracement zone and holding steady at the neckline. But then it experienced a sudden drop to $89,700 levels we had seen just 24 hours before. This highlights two things: volatility and potential market manipulation. Bitcoin's dominance remains steady despite these swings, and that's why we constantly track dominance. It tells us how money is flowing between Bitcoin and altcoins like Monad. Monad's price reacted to this move, dropping almost 11% after Bitcoin's retracement. Just hours ago, it was hovering around $0 and 2.6 cents, forming support around $0 and 2.6 cents to $0 and 2.56 cents. After breaking below this support, it saw an additional 7% pullback, approaching the December 1st lows. While we haven't fully retested those lows yet, it's important to recognize where support might form and where further downside could occur. Even with this price action, the on-chain metrics are extremely promising. Monad's TVL hitting an all-time high is not just a number, it shows real network activity and adoption. This is crucial because even if the price dips temporarily, strong on-chain activity suggests that the ecosystem is growing and being used. Let's put some numbers on it. Recently, the 24-hour trading volume hit 8,606 BTC equivalent, which is a clear signal that people are actively trading and using the network. For a project of this size, this level of activity is significant and cannot be ignored. Now, the big question: can Monad recover? The ecosystem is growing, the TVL is up, and on-chain activity is strong. If Bitcoin stabilizes and its dominance starts to weaken, we could realistically see Monad move back toward 0.03, about a 24% increase from current levels. Remember, the coin's market cap is still relatively small. Low-cap coins can experience bigger percentage swings compared to larger projects. This makes it higher risk but also higher potential reward. Historically, altcoins have been in a downward trend since August, but momentum can change quickly when Bitcoin moves decisively. If we see a surge in trading volume and renewed market interest, Monad could potentially reclaim the key ranges and test 0.03 or even higher. Support levels and price action will be key to watch over the next few days. Of course, competition is fierce in the crypto space. Monad isn't the only player in its category, so it's essential to stay aware of competitors and broader market conditions. No major unlocks are expected in the next 11 to 12 months, which could help the project avoid short-term dilution. In terms of risk, price volatility is still significant. The last 2 days alone saw Monad down nearly 16%. But these short-term retracements are often where strategic buying opportunities appear, especially when on-chain metrics like TVL and active addresses are strong. Monad is down in price, but the network is stronger than ever. TVL is at an all-time high. Bitcoin's recent moves heavily influence Monad's price, and volatility is still present. Key support levels are around $0 and 2.56 cents to $0, and 2.6 cents with potential downside to December 1st lows if broken. The coin's small market cap and 8,606 BTC equivalent volume make it capable of rapid percentage gains. If Bitcoin stabilizes and dominance weakens, 0.03 is a realistic target, a potential 24% gain from current levels. Monad shows signs of growth despite short-term retracements, and if the broader market picks up, this could be the start of a significant upward move. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more daily crypto insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay crypto smart.